Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is a shower nozzle from tinydeal.com. Tinydeal.com, great value, great experience. First of all, welcome to my bathroom. Have a look. In fact, this bathroom is not for bathing, but for peeing. Okay, let's talk about this shower nozzle. The most special function of it is there are some LEDs inside this shower nozzle. When it feels water pressure, the LEDs begin working. And when the water temperature changes, the LED's light color changes from blue, red to green. So let's have a look. Okay, have you seen the green lights? Because the water pressure is not enough, so only several LED lights are shining. On the other hand, you know, it's not very easy to be an employee in a trade company. Because I cannot modify the water temperature, so you can only see the green lights. Okay, if you can imagine if you and your lover are bathing in a dark place, where some blue, red, or green lights shining on you. Is that very fantastic? Very romantic? Okay, see you next time.